cooking with Jaime, rice, wheat, and chickens. There were foreign ingredients. West continued. Vegetables, carrots, paprika, green and big space. And finally, the shop and the present West continued with Susan, continued sheep brilliance, the wheat continued on the rice, wheat continued on the rose, wheat continued on the tomato, on the onion, wheat continued on the capsule. Until everything the substantive cup process to mix on the ingredients on the each queen on the loaf here for 15 minutes. Delicious and ready to enjoy with Pepsi Cola. Thanks.